Guys, welcome back to another video about Gala Games coin. Guys, Gala coin is also going trending in the market. Gala token, everybody are talking about Gala token by now. So in this video I'm talking about Gala token price prediction. Is Gala token will give you profit? Is Gala coin will give you loss in the future? Let me show you. But guys, if you're new here, if you don't subscribe, so make sure to subscribe now for more news and update videos. The currently latest price of Gala coin in the market is about 0.7101 USD dollar. That is the currently price of Gala token, and 17.83% positive changes occur in the Gala token, guys. So these changes is going positive, fully diluted market cap, trading volume, and this everything is going positive, guys. And market cap also positive, so it's good. Now other side, if we talk about the trading volume, so you know what, trading volume is going positive, so this means that still the people are investing in a Gala coin, and if the people are investing, so as a result the price have to pump. Now from a price chart, wow guys, that's clear that Gala token is completely on the way to the moon, guys. So very congratulations, guys. Now here I recommend for all of my audience that it's time to hold, that to sell, guys, because as I show you from a price chart, it's clear that Gala to the moon. So it's enjoy time. Thanks for watching, and guys, what's your opinion about Gala token? Share in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe channel.